Right, here we go. So I'm very excited. I wanted to share a milestone and nerd out with you guys. So I actually created a page that has all my past workshops, so people can get access to the recording if they want to see it, and they can watch it in their own time. My latest workshop, CRM to CYA, and then from lead to loyalty, building resilient business, time management system for success. All these workshops, you can get access to the replay. All you have to do is, for example, CRM to CYA, which happened recently, and I'll probably be adding more workshops as I go along because I enjoy spreading the wealth of knowledge so that people continue to use technology and CRMs to streamline operations and grow their business so that they have more free time to do whatever they want to do, whether it's have more time to engage with their client base, more time to spend time with family or friends. This is great. I really love spreading that knowledge and making an impact. So essentially what you do is this is the webpage that I actually edited within my CRM. Everything is within my CRM because I like streamlining and having a smaller, minimal tech stack to create more efficiency. So here we go. So this is how it looks. This is, if you go to the home page, if you go to workshops, you'll be able to access all my workshops. Just click on the Get Replay button. So for example, if you want to get the CRM to CYA, safeguard your business and speed up your cash flow with smart systems that track, automate, and get things done without the chaos, click on Get Replay, and it'll open up a new window. And then once it opens up, you'll see the video of me and Jenny doing a collaborative workshop. And then you could get the workshop replay by putting in your name, email, optional phone number, and get workshop replay. And if I hit that, it says required, full name, and email required. But when you fill it out, it'll actually direct you to the actual replay. So let's test it out. All right, so I filled it in, Brandon test, my Gmail, get workshop replay. After that happens, it's gonna direct you to the replay. So you could watch the replay video if you want. So I'm so excited to be able to share this content with people. All the workshops that I've done in the past, moving forward, whenever I do a new workshop, I'm gonna continue to build off that page and continue to add more of the workshops that I'm doing because I just love spreading the information to people so that they could just be better entrepreneurs, especially on the tech and the CRM side. Because to me, the CRM is the Bible to your business that allows you to keep track of all your customers, prospects, and networking partners, never letting any opportunity slip through the cracks. And that is the goal. Not letting opportunities slip through the cracks, not letting any money fall through the drain. You want to capitalize on those opportunities, and you want to be more efficient with your time. So thank you for your time. Brandon Drake, aka the Healthy Data Guy, using CRMs to strengthen human connection in the digital age. Peace.